Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can get some cereal for basically free this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have all kinds of amazing coupon matchups, tons of glitches, amazing clearance markdowns. We have a bunch of 90% off categories. Plus, we went over run glitches, run deals, overages, rebates, you name it. There's a ton of awesome deals going on at Dollar General. So if you have missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out, because you don't want to miss out on any of these awesome deals. And I'm going to have all these videos listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump into the deals for this video. This is going to be a super simple, quick, and easy deal that you guys can do this week at Dollar General. So, first up, we have Kellogg brand cereal, Nutri-Grain bars, and Pop-Tarts that are on sale this week, 3 for $7. And we have a 1 off 3 digital coupon. So that is going to leave you paying $6 for all 3 products. And I want you guys to keep in mind that you can mix and match however you would like. Just keep in mind that it is only the Kellogg cereal, the Pop-Tarts, and the Nutri-Grain bars that work with the sale and the coupon. So when you're in the store, I would recommend that you scan the items with your Dollar General app just to make sure that the sale and the coupon shows up underneath all 3 products. So once you've picked out your 3 Kellogg's products, you're going to take those up to the register, have the cashier ring them up, type in your phone number. That way that 1 off 3 digital coupon will come off, and then you're going to pay $6 out of pocket. But this still gets even better, because right now Kellogg's has teamed up with No Kid Hungry, and I believe they do this every year for a few months out of the year. So they've teamed up to bring us this promotion again this year, and it is about to end. We're going to go over the dates here in just a few minutes. But basically, you submit your receipt to the Kellogg's website, and you're going to get back a $5 coupon for purchasing a participating Kellogg's product. And then they're also going to donate $5 to the No Kid Hungry campaign. So this is going to be really simple and easy, and I'm going to go over all the details with you guys here in just a second. But basically, once you get back your $5 coupon, that is going to make your final price on all 3 Kellogg's products just $1, making those about 33 cents each, and I think that is fantastic. Plus, Kellogg's is going to donate $5 to the No Kid Hungry campaign, so that is a win-win situation for everybody. Now, I am going to go over a few of the details with you all. I know that this is probably going to be hard to read on some of your all's phone screens, so I am going to leave all the links in the pinned comment down below. So basically, I just went to the website and I pulled up the frequently asked questions page, and it says key offer details. Buy any one participating product between February the 6th and May the 9th, 2023. Then you're going to take a picture of your receipt, and you're going to register at www.breakfastforall.com. You're going to upload a picture of your receipt, and keep in mind that your receipts must be submitted within 30 days of purchase and no later than June the 8th, 2023. Then you're going to get a $5 credit to redeem for Kellogg's products. Participants can choose to redeem their reward via mail in the form of either a printed coupon or a digital award in the form of a barcode bucks. Kellogg's will also donate $5 to No Kid Hungry. Now, here's a couple more details that I wanted to share with you all on this offer. There is a limit of 3 offers per participant. So if you wanted to go into Dollar General and do 3 separate transactions, you can do that, and you'll still get back the $5 for each receipt that you submit. So this does say send each receipt separately. Receipts must be submitted within 30 days of purchase and no later than June the 8th, 2023. Awards must be redeemed by July the 10th, 2023. Limit of 3 offers per participant. You must be a U.S. resident, 16 years of age or older, and see www.breakfastforall.com for complete terms and a full list of participating products. Now, I ran out to Dollar General last night to do a few quick deals, and I did do the Kellogg's deal, and I've already submitted my first receipt. And I just wanted to show you guys how quick, simple, and easy this was. Here's the first page. It's just basic information, your first name, last name, email address, confirm your email address, and then date of birth. There were 2 steps after that, and you are done. Now, because that deal was so simple, quick, and easy, I'm going to go ahead and stop at Dollar General this evening after our soccer game and go ahead and pick up some more Kellogg's products on my husband's account and on my son's account. That way I can go ahead and take advantage of this deal while we have it. Like I said, don't forget this deal ends on May the 9th. Now, you can submit your receipt after May the 9th. You have until June the 10th to actually submit your receipts. But you have to purchase the Kellogg's products before May the 9th. Now, before y'all go, I have one more idea that I wanted to go ahead and share with you all. If you throw in this Kellogg's deal into a 5 off $25 scenario for this Saturday, that would make those Kellogg's cereals or Pop-Tarts or Nutri-Grain bars even cheaper. So just keep that in mind as well. And I also just want to remind everybody before you go, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals, because sometimes we have run deals that are back to back to back, and you definitely don't want to miss out on any awesome deals going on at Dollar General, Family Dollar, and I'm also trying to make my way back into the Walgreens game. So turn on those notifications, make sure that they are set to all. I'm going to have our 5 off $25 scenarios up here very soon. I'm almost done with Dollar General, and I'm trying my best to get Family Dollar done as well. And I also just want to go ahead and thank you all so much for being patient with me and for supporting my channel. I know that this past month has just kind of been a little bit of a roller coaster. Some weeks we have had slow weeks. We've had weeks where we've had deal after deal after deal, video after video after video. And I just want to thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me, for watching the videos, for supporting the channel. I know that I have some really loyal, crazy couponers out there, and it does not go unnoticed. So thank you all so much. And just know that soccer season is almost over. I know that you guys probably don't realize it, but that really takes up a lot of my time during soccer season. But we're heading into tournaments next week, so wish us luck. And then after that, it is going to be full speed ahead with our crazy couponing journey here. I have so many awesome ideas that I cannot wait to tell you all about. I'm looking at Facebook. I'm looking at merch. We've got all kinds of awesome things coming your all's way. So before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.